name is Harmonia Green, and for the past 2 years I lived in 6 different countries and moved about 20 times, all while maintaining my illustrator career and making art full time. So here are my 5 tips to make art while you are on the go. Number 1, backlight. You might want to pack your whole art studio with you, I know this, but please pack light. You need only your most proven and most beloved art materials with you. I understand that art is about experimentation and creativity, and especially while you're traveling, you might want to experiment more, but sorry to be a bummer, it's not a time for experiment, because when you're in a new country and you want to make a quick sketch and there are people around you and you are stressed enough already, you just want to have your most favorite small pencil case with art materials to make a quick sketch and be gone. And number 2, it's kind of obvious, but there are art stores everywhere. I live in a small town in Albania now, and even here I can find about 3 art stores and I can get there all art supplies I need. Yes, sure, those art stores are more like kids' craft stores and stationery stuff, but I still can find there like good Italian watercolor paper and canvases and acrylic paint and paintbrushes, everything I need. And to be honest, visiting art supply stores in a new country is like an amazing new experience. And have you seen TikToks about Japanese art stores? Like, it's a dream of mine to visit one someday. It's kind of like a pro tip, and I got it later in life, but you can ship your own art materials. That works for your other stuff also, but you can make a package at home and send it via DHL to your future destination. You can send it to your Airbnb or hotel, or you just can pick it up later at the post office in the new country, but they may take a fee for that. But in general, it's way cheaper sometimes than paying for the airport fees for your package. So yeah, consider shipping your art supplies prior to your trip. And yes, it makes sense if you're traveling for a longer period of time, but it's so worth it. And okay, another tip, I guess it's number 4. Yes, tip number 4. It might be kind of controversial, but consider going digital for a while. Yes, I love traditional art myself, and I will pick traditional art over digital any day. But if you're packing light and if you're traveling light and maybe you have only a carry-on, consider just taking your iPad instead of a whole lot of art supplies. Basically, you just need an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and software like Procreate. I mean, have you seen Procreate these days? Those brushes in Procreate can imitate almost any art material you might want. Watercolor, oils, gouache, pastels, chalks, pretty much everything. And you can buy a set of brushes on Creative Market or Etsy, or sometimes your favorite artist may offer a pack of brushes that they use for Procreate. And yes, you can enjoy sketching while packing light. And the last tip is be flexible, like don't push yourself too hard. Yes, traveling and making art on the go makes you go out of your comfort zone, but you still need to be somewhat comfortable. If making art in a public places while people staring, if it makes you anxious, just don't do this. I'm a biggest advocate for mental health, and I'm kind of introverted person myself, so consider like waking up early in the morning and going to the less crowded places, make some quick sketches, and do it as long as you feel comfortable. And sometimes you just need to make some good photos and then use them as reference and make them into your sketchbooks, pieces, or some art pieces later when you're in the comfort of your hotel room. And to be honest, my take on this is you don't need to make art while you're traveling. I mean, sometimes the best vacation is when your art supplies are at home and you're having fun, exploring new places. And I have a lot of trips where I barely unpacked my art materials, and that's fine. There are a lot of kinds of rest, and sometimes we just need creative rest. We need our creativity to recharge, and traveling is a good way to do this. That's all my tips. Oh, wait, no. I have a bonus, like pro tip, and it's very important. Pack your art materials securely. Like, it's the most important thing. Use waterproof packaging or wrap your art materials in plastic wrapping. Do your thing, but you don't want to spill your paints over your favorite dresses. Done this, been there, you just don't want this. So yes, pack light and pack secure. So this was all my art tips for traveling, and let me know if you find some of these things useful, and if you have some tips of your own, let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye.